half an hour late for our live today, but I'm having some throat problem. Drinking hot water. My throat is a little jammed today, so I won't be shouting. I'll be speaking with a very normal tone. So mind that if I am not having excitement today, if I'm not having a good energy today, please mind that. Just some throat issue. Let's just keep this little jam today, so I won't be shouting. Yeah. I can see people now. Okay. Let's just wait for 2 to 3 minutes so people can join, because I have a very good announcement for all people. Every day I'm having good announcement for all the new people, because that's the one thing which we are aiming for a lot of people to know, so they can take advantage of it. They can take advantage of earning up to $1,200 free of cost. So let's just wait for a few minutes for people to join. I think they will join fast. Low latency means a deep liquidity with IC market. Okay. Filtering out all the news for all of you people is a very tough job, because sharing the one of the best news is the thing which I want to do all of you people, so that you can take advantage of it. And today I am actually searching for a good news for all of you people, so that I can share it with you all people. Okay, found it. This is a great news. Let's get started. I think people have came. I can see people on my live stream now. Cool. So hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining this live stream, and we are sorry that we are half an hour late today, because I was just not feeling right. It's like I am feeling better, but the throat was not feeling better, so I made my throat calm down first, so that I can actually be on the live stream and speak with you all of people. Now, my name is Yash Pawar, and for the people who don't know me, I am a host over here who takes care about teaching you regarding the crypto world. whether you want to know the news which is happening, which can affect the market in either in the positive sentiment or in the negative sentiment. Or you have to learn regarding trading, how to do trading in the crypto, where is a best buy entry, where to get the best sell entry, and every of those things. You can also come here on the live stream and learn about these things. I don't just teach trading, but I also teach all the basic fundamentals as well, which can be very, very, very useful for all of you people, which is a technical analysis, learning how to read the chart, because that's what matters. Learning how to read the chart can help you to get the best sell entry, best buy entry, and it can help you also to achieve a greater amount of target. If you are understanding the market, how it is working, where it is going, and all of those things, then you know what you need to do for the market, what you know where you want to do anything. Understanding the basics of the market also comes with a lot of internal structures, that is how to find a breakout structure, how to find when there is going to be a trend reversal, how to find a fair value gap, how to find the whales, where are the big player entering the market. Because whenever we have seen that big player has entered in the market, we have seen this one very thing, that they go for a lot of those things. They go for limit orders are placed in a lot of places, which we can take advantage of. With those people, we can have a good amount of profit, because their investment is a lot, quite a lot. Like, they can give you a good amount of profit, but finding them is little hard but easy as well, if you keep following smart money concept and also knowing regarding their actions, following them in the news. Like I told you, since 2 to 3 days, Meta Planet is buying Bitcoin like crazy. Okay, and that too in a very different format. They are buying Bitcoin in like numerical wise, like they are buying it 1 2 3 4 1234. First they were having the 555 billion plan for Bitcoin. So such kind of thing, like they are trying to do. You can just check out, you can just follow them on the news, you can just follow them like what activities they are doing. Because see, every big people are covered by news. There is not a single big people who is doing something and is not covered by the news. So you have that opportunity, you have that advantage, that you can track them, you can know what they are doing, you can start following, researching about their researching about their company, their website, their holdings, because they have to release such things. They cannot just like keep it with themselves and without telling to people. There are so many websites where you can follow the whales. I have also told you one very great website which is just meant for tracking the whales. It is something called I will get back to it. I forgot. I told you in the previous a lot, like 2 to 3 weeks back in my live stream, but I forgot that name right now, which is totally fine because I'm having. Let it be. So I will get back to. I'll tell you that name of the website where you can track that whales and everything. Right now I forgot. I've written somewhere. I will try to find that name and I'll try to give it to you, because that is one website which is just tracking the whales in the market. Just knowing what they are doing, just knowing when they are making a move and not making a move, and all those kind of stuff they are dealing with. Okay, now other than that, you can also learn regarding the strategies, and not just like I'll be telling you those strategies. Like I will also put those strategy into work, if they are genuinely working or not, if it is how much win rate that strategy is having. Till now, see, there are millions of strategies out there, but I really trust 3 strategies. In a priority rise, if I say the least priority I will give to the level strategy, because level strategy makes you a lot of confused. They don't tell you the exact place where the market is gonna reverse. It's just a guessings. All the places from where the market has taken the reversal, like for example this point, this point. There are so many points. Now every point cannot be observed, every point cannot be like we can be like keeping our eye on. And even if you are keeping eye on, there are some points, like if we create levels like this, there will be one candle who is taking all those 4 levels, and after that we think like we should enter, and then it is giving us downtrend, which makes it very hard for us to enter in the market in a very proper way. So level strategy is my the least favorite strategy. Second come is the where most easiest, and also I don't know how, but it actually works. No, it won't work 100% of time. To be very honest, it won't work for 100% time. It will work for maybe 70% of time, maybe 80% of time. In that also you have to be observant. You cannot just take a trade, you like follow all the condition, take a trade and leave. No, you have to be observant of what the market is doing, because if market is a very unpredictable place. We can never know what is truly gonna happen in the market. So in that situation, rather than having a maximum loss, you can have that thing where you can track, you can keep observing the market. If it is moving in a very south side of your trade, then you can take advantage as well to reverse the trade or to do something. If you just keep that trade, that strategy is called as ORB. It is called as opening range breakout, ORB. Opening range breakout speaks about like the first candle of that day. First candle of that day. Like cryptocurrency market is 24/7. So which candle do we buy? Because it works the best in the stock market, indices and commodity, because they are having a break. They are having a break for the market. They are having Monday, Tuesday, Friday, Sunday, Saturday, Sunday they are having off, and it works for 5 days only, like that kind of thing. Like they are having a breakage at that time. So that works best over there. But as cryptocurrency is 24/7, it still works over here. I'm not denying that it doesn't work on the crypto trading, but little less compared to the stocks, compared to this, because they are having some break time between restarting the market, between restarting the things. Okay. Now, other than this, what I was telling you, this ORB talks about, if you take in respective of the crypto trading, if you observe the first candle, which will be forming by the 00.00:00, that is 12 in the midnight, because that's where the date is changing, the day is changing, the 12, the midnight 12, where the 27 becomes 28 or 26 becomes 27. That midnight, you have to observe the first candle. Now, do not observe the 5-minute candle. Okay, if you want to trade in 5 minutes, do not observe, because obviously you won't be trading in the night, in the midnight. You'll be waiting for the people to come, you will be waiting for the volatility to come and all of those things. So you will wait for things to happen. Now, if you observe more than half an hour candle, more, like, see, ORB requires you to observe the bigger time frame candle, not the smaller, like not 5 minute, 10 minute, 1 minute, 15 minute, like at least 45 or 1 hour candle you should be watching. At the time when the market was opened, the 1 hour candle should be forming, and after that 1 hour candle you should decide, like the basic thing what they do is, if this is that opening candle, that 1 hour candle, okay, they will put their one line on the H, one line on the L. Now they will wait for market to move, like wherever it wants to move. If it is going up, it is going down, they will see. Wherever we get a breakout, wherever we are getting a breakout, that will be our buying. Like if it gives you breakout above, we will do the buying. If it gives the breakout down, it will give the selling. ORB says that till the end of the day, the market will actually give you a good amount of profit wherever it is breaking from that opening candle. That's why it's called opening range breakout. This is opening candle. We made one range from H and the L. Wherever it is a breakout, either it's for upside, that is buy side. Wherever, if it's for downside, that is a sell side. Wherever it gives you a breakout, we will go for that trade, buy or sell. But in most of the situation, like not most, few time what happens is this breakout is just to fool you all people. Okay, because market is actually 3 to 4 to 5 to 10 steps ahead than all of us. The market is ahead of us, like more than 10 to 15 stages. Okay, now this thing, like being ahead of us, give them an advantage to fool us at whatever point, to make a good use of us at whatever point. At whatever point I'm talking about. They can fool us, they can make use of our trade, create uncertain things, create uncertain trades, so that we can enter for the wrong sides. Like maybe if they are trying to show you it's a buy side, but they actually want to take the market to sell side, that's where they are grabbing liquidity from you. Whenever the market makes an uncertain movement, consider this one very specific thing that they are not having. And one second. I'll come in 1 minute here. I'll come in 1 minute. Sorry, people. Sorry. Okay, so we were talking about an opening range breakout, and yeah, we were talking about whenever a market is making an uncertain movement, making major swings, not giving you a proper signal of uptrend or downtrend or wherever it wants to go. At that moment, you can clearly see that market is actually trying to give and collect liquidity from all of you people. In that moment, we don't have to enter at any point for buy or for sell. We just have to be very observant, because you never know which side they will support, because at the time of liquidity, the candle form is very big and very fast. Hello Raj. Hello. Thank you so much for joining this live stream, and thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. So like I was talking about the way the market grabs the liquidity. So you can know each and everything, and the most perfect and the most useful strategy which I feel is smart money concept. Smart money concept talks about where to find the big candles, because that's the one candle which is giving you the most profit. Those are the one candle which actually gives you quick profit, rather than being wait for long period of time to have an organic movement. These big candles give you very sudden movements, like a quick up, quick down, and very quality ones. Because the investment, what happened to you? Nothing happened. So like I was telling you all people regarding SMC. SMC is the one of the best strategy which you can use. SMC is that strategy which you can have for doing a good quality trades. Not all the time you will be having SMC, but you can make sure about SMC, because SMC talks about, one second, let me just delete this thing. I will tell you how good SMC works. Are you sick? Yes, I am sick. this also. Okay, so this is SMC. SMC talks about the thing I created over here. This setup, the whole setup, the FVG, fair value gap, is a component of SMC. Then comes our supply zone, 1 hour fair value gap, and you can clearly see that 1 hour fair value gap has been respected so much. Not once from there the market fall, twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, and this was the recent today, 8th the time the market exactly fall from there. And whenever it is falling, it is not falling for a few points, it is falling for actually very good amount of points. Okay, and also I told you this one thing, that in daytime phrase, okay, in daytime frame, if I just go on the daytime frame, okay, in 1 day time frame I can actually observe a bullish flag chart pattern to be formed. This I told you yesterday, that I can clearly see. Namaste Yash. Acha, my name is Yash, sorry. Namaste. Money vlog by Ashish. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being part of it. I'll be telling you about the Zbit thing before, but I just want to tell you this, why live stream is useful for you to come. I just want to tell you regarding this, because I'm feeling that the people on the live streams are not like aware of what to do, what not to do, why this live stream is there and all those things. So I'm just giving you a heads up regarding this live stream, what I do and everything. Okay, so this is the bullish flag which I was following, and I saw that in the daytime frame I meet the my trend line as well, and the trend line itself is also a lot respected in every time frame. Like if I just go for 1 hour as well, you can clearly see that whole market sits inside that range, which gives me a lot of good opportunity to enter in the market for buy or for sell side. If it's very close to a resistance, I will go for sell. If it's close to my fair value gap for the downside, I will go for. Speaking like you are coming out of hangover. My throat is not good. Okay, there is no hangover. My throat is not good today. I'm drinking hot water, but still, like, it's paining. So I don't want to raise my voice. I want to speak in a very calm, normal voice. Okay, so I just want to share, to avoid headache. Yes, to avoid headache. There is headache. And it's fine, leave about me, it's fine. I am here for all of you people. Let me just be here for all of people. It's fine. About me, it's fine. I am here for all of you people. Let me just be here for all of people. It's fine. Leave my headache, leave my sickness. So like we were talking about this live stream also tells you regarding the cryptocurrency. Where did I went? Why I'm not there anymore? What happened? Okay, I came back. Something is not good. I think I should update my phone or something like this. Every day we are having some issues. Leave it. So this live stream also talks about how you can do your live current market analysis, what will come in the market in the next time, what can you do in the market, what kind of thinking you should be having, what kind of observing thing you are having. You are gone. Yeah, I came back again. If you can see me, I came back again. There is some issue going on with this OBS and every of those things. Where are you? I came back. Can't you see me right now? Am I not visible for you all right now? Yeah, I am there. I am there. Yeah, I think we should update if there is some update or something, I don't know what. Even yesterday there was no voice. Suddenly the whole like stream was stopping for YouTube and blah 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 stuff was happening. We should. Hi, good morning, good morning. Hello people, hello. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much. I found no bug so far. Keep trying, keep trying. Yes. Regarding the bug, I'm actually waiting for all the people to come on my comment section so I can tell them about the offers the Zbit is offering all of you people. Okay, so let me just share you my 1 second. First, let me just share you my invite code and invite link from where you actually have to download our app. Because if you download my app, like from my invite code, you will be getting so many good surprises. Let's copy. Okay. And paste. Can you see that link which I send in the live comment section? That is my invite code link. You should tap on that link itself to get more rewards, to get more good rewards which can be helpful for you. Because see, mandatory rewards you will be getting. That is not an issue for it if you even don't do the invite code. But if you do invite code, there will be great opportunity for you. With my invite code, there are high chances of getting a good cryptocurrency for free. Like I told you, okay, I'll tell you. Zbit is a crypto exchange platform where you can start doing your crypto journey. You can start selling cryptos, buying cryptos, doing options for the cryptos, futures and every of those things. You can start doing those things. Okay. But there is one thing which you should be knowing, that we are not just asking you to come and download our thing. We are asking you to come to our platform, do 4 tasks and earn the rewards up to $1,200. $1,200 worth of rewards. You can get a chance to win it. What you need to do, what we are offering and all of these things, let's get back to it. Okay. So Zbit, if you download our Zbit app, first thing what you need to do is, like, whenever you download a new app, obviously they ask you for your name, place, animal thing. Okay, like where are you from, what's your number, what's your email address, what's your full name, like basic registration which you need to do. Even like you go to hospital, they ask you for basic details and blah blah blah. So even the Zbit is gonna ask you for the basic details. That is basically your registration. You have to put your name, your number, your email and set a password for yourself, because that is your login credential which you are gonna have. Okay, once you just complete our registration, you are gonna chance to win a free cryptocurrency which is worth more than $1,000. More than $1,000 worth of free cryptocurrency you are getting. That cryptocurrency either can be BTC, either can be Ethereum, either can be Solana, either can be Doge, Pepe or Shiba Inu. Okay, if you put my invite code, that is, okay, I'll put my invite code, that's a link. I will also put my invite EQEAG. Yeah, that's my invite code. If you put my invite code, there are high chances of you to win Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana. If you don't put my this invite link, there are little less chances for you to get it. So if you want to earn Bitcoin, free worth of Bitcoin, free worth of Ethereum, Solana, then you should have that invite code. You should be having that thing where you are entering in the market with already Bitcoin, Ethereum or Solana in your wallet. But it won't happen if you are not doing that invite code of me. Like at the registration time, they will ask you, there will be one option, invite code. If you put it, then there is high chances of you to get Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana. If not, then you might be not having that good chances of getting those other coins. Okay, now this is the first thing. This is the first task and first reward you are getting. Now second task talks about now second task is about you to have KYC. You have to complete your KYC. KYC is just a basic verification of yours, so that we can verify if you are a genuine person or not. Because obviously this cryptocurrency app, there are high chances of getting scammed by the people, getting scammed by the scammers, hackers, and all of the stuffs. So to be safe from those side, we ask you to do KYC. And doing KYC is very easy. You just need to provide some documents of yours, like maybe your identity proof, maybe driver license, maybe PAN card, maybe Aadhaar card. That's all you need to do. Okay. Once you identified yourself that you are that person who has registered the account and everything, you are the genuine person and everything, then comes your second reward. Your second reward is having a double bonus reward, a chance to win a double bonus reward. Nami, was the chart time frame? The chart time frame is 1 hour. We are watching 1 hour time frame right now. This is on my screen. It is 1 hour time frame. You can check it out from here. See, yeah, see, this is 1 hour time frame right here. I click on it and this is the time frame. Got it? So regarding the rewards, you get a chance to win double bonus rewards. Whatever rewards you will be getting, that can be multiplied into 2 times if you are winning that double bonus reward. Okay. After that, there is also one thing which you need to do. That is third task. Now, obviously, as it is a crypto exchange app, you are here to do trading. You are not here to just have freebie stuffs. Okay. And even if you are just here to have freebie stuff, there is something which you need to do. You need to deposit the money into your wallet, into your account for your capital, not for us. That money is not for us. And you have to deposit more than $10. More than $10 is basically, in INR, if I convert it, like 900 rupees. That's all. 900 rupees INR, I'm talking about 900 RS rupees. Okay, so that amount you need to invest into our app for your trading, for you to do trading. It is that money is not for us. That money is which you will be using for doing trading. That's it. Got it? That money is not for us. To be very, very clear, that money is for you to do trading. That is money is gonna go into your wallet, into your capital. Got it? Okay. This is a third task. But the condition is you have to deposit more than $10. It should not even be $9.99. It should be $10 or more than that. Either 10, either 11, either 20, either 30, 50, 100, whatever it feels like. The minimum is 10. Below 10, you should not invest. If you invest below 10, you will not be having those rewards which you like, the free cryptocurrency, the double X rewards and all those kind of rewards which you will not be having. Okay. Now, the other thing. What is the third reward which you will be getting? The third reward after doing a deposit will be a surprise multiplier. A surprise multiplier will be like a surprise for you. It can be range from 5x to 100x. Can you just imagine? It can range from 5x to 100x. There is no 1x, 2x, 3x such situation. Okay, whatever things. The second reward is a chance for you to win, but the third one is a compulsory 5x or until 100x you can get. And we have already seen such people who have got more than 50x of things and they are very happy. Like you can get a chance to win more than $1,200 worth of rewards straight into your wallet, which you can withdraw whenever you want. Okay, there is no condition to it, like you have to withdraw it, try this and blah 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 situation. Okay, now the other thing is, once you get that surprise multiplier reward, you will be seeing like what kind of X you will be getting. Either it can be 5x, 10x, 20, 50, 100 or whatever X it is. Okay. But now fourth thing is not gonna give you any rewards, but it is a compulsory and mandatory thing for you to earn those 3 rewards. Okay. First is your like doing registration, second is doing KYC, third is doing deposit. Now fourth task is to take the first trade in the market. That trade can be for 1 minute, that trade can be for 5 seconds, that trade can be for just entering the market, getting the profit, exiting the market. Because there will be so many people, they will say like, I don't know how to do trading, I don't know how to find out the best buy position, sell position, I don't know about these trends and everything. So you don't have to worry. First you can come, I can give you one solution, that you can come to the live stream to learn all those stuffs. And to take a first trade, you have 30 days. From the day of registration, you get 30 days. 30 days you will be getting to complete all the tasks. Your registration, your KYC, your deposit and the first trade. In that 30 days you have to do it. Okay, so you don't have to worry about like you have to do it in within hour, within minute, within second. No, you don't have to worry. You have 30 days. 30 days is a long time to you to learn trading, just to complete that one trade. Okay, I will also show you how you can actually achieve that one trade very easily, very simple. This is a 5-minute chart. I will just reset the chart. Okay, this is a 5-minute chart. What is market doing? Okay, market is trying to go down. Okay, I will try to put for the should I go for the sell or should I go for the buy, because sometimes it makes me stuck in between. Okay, I'll go for buy. Okay, I went for a little buy because I know a little up the market can go, a little up. Oh, it is going more down. Nice. Yeah. Whenever I see some positive thing in the plus, some green thing, even if it's $1, $2, $0.001, I will exit this trade. And that's what you need to do to complete your first trade. If you don't know how to do trading, if you know how to do trading, then you know what to do. But if you don't know what to do in the market, how to take a trade and everything, this is the most easiest and simplest way I'll be teaching you. You can just do this thing. Wait a second. It will happen, it will happen. Just give it some time. Just give it some time. Okay, we are very close again. Okay, my arrow is on the close option. The time I see some positive thing over here, I will take the trade off. Got it? See, plus 400 I see, plus $4. I took my trade off from there. That's it. If you just want for the sake of completing the task, that's all you need to do. The little plus you see, you can take the money out. A little plus and take the money out. That will be counted as your first trade. And it will complete the task of all the 4. Registration, KYC, deposit and first trade within that 30 days. And so easy, I told you. So this is the only easy thing. You just have to give patience. I knew that the market is going to come above because we are right now in the fair value gap. Okay, so market came, I saw $4 plus, I exited because I was not looking for profit, like bigger profit, like maybe 10, 20, nothing. I just wanted to complete my task. That's all I am looking for. No, not looking for bigger profit, because I am in that situation. I'm thinking about, I am telling you to those people who don't know how to do trading. You should learn it. You should come to the live stream. You should learn the trading, but just for the sake of the task, this is the thing which you can do just for the sake of the task. Okay. So yeah, we did it. Let me just erase it. Okay. Now These are the 4 tasks which you need to do to complete your all the rewards, and you will be earning more than $1,200 straight worth of rewards into your wallet if you complete these 4 tasks within 30 days from the day of your registration. From the day of your registration, not the day from right now, from the day of your registration. The time you download, put that code, invite code, you will be getting extra rewards. You will be getting high chances of earning Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana if you put my invite code. If you're not putting, there are little less chances for you to get these Bitcoins, because obviously these Bitcoins are worth more. Can you just imagine, we are giving you free Bitcoin, free Ethereum or free Solana. Out of those 3, you can get any. So why miss out a chance where you can have such a great opportunity? Why miss out a chance where you can earn so much just free, not doing anything? Even like people will say you took deposit. Bro, that deposit is not for me. That deposit is not for the company. That deposit is for you to take a trade. Because you are doing a trading. You need a capital to trade. That is for your money, not our money. Got it? So this is the first reward which you will be getting. This is the first reward which you will be getting if you download our app. The first user rewards you will be getting. Okay. The first user reward which you will be getting. Okay, this is the thing. Now second thing, this is not just an end over here. Like someone said, I guess Hope was the person in the comment, said that she couldn't find a bug or something like that. Let me see comment. Who was that person? Yeah, Kuti was that person who said, I found no bug so far. Why she is finding bug? Why is she trying to find bug? Is it something which you should know regarding bug? Yes. What is that thing? This is one thing for all of our users, the one who are using our app, the one who is downloading for the new time and every of the things. First, you will be getting the user reward. That is for very sure. But other than that, you are also getting a chance to compete into our event. What is that event says? Just one second. I want to sit very comfortable. Okay. So that one reward is like where do you have to compete? How do you have to compete, and every of those things. Just bring the camera a little close. Yeah. What is that one reward which you should be knowing about? If you are getting a new user award, other than that, you get a chance to win $50, not by doing anything, just by downloading our app, getting that new user reward, and finding bugs, finding mistakes. What is finding bugs? Just finding bug is basically finding mistakes in our app. If you find mistakes in our app, those mistakes can be if the app is crashing down, if some features are not working, if you continuously tapping on that option, but that option is itself not working. That is glitches, that are bugs in the app or in the website. Okay. Now, if you find out more than 100 bugs in our app, you will be getting $50 reward. But if you don't find 100, if you find it out in between the range of 71 to 71 to 99 bugs you find out, you will be getting $35. If you're getting the bugs in between the range of 50 to 70, you will be getting the $25. If you find out the bug in the range of 31 to 40, you will be receiving $25. If you find out the bug between the range of 16 to 30, you will be getting $10. And if you're finding the bug between 5 to 15, you will be getting $5 worth in $5 worth of cash, just in digital cash. Okay, not the like actual cash, because obviously you can't come in Dubai to collect it. So we'll be transferring it into your wallet. These are the event which is happening right now. And really sorry for not giving you a proper introduction regarding the event, because I'm not feeling Okay, so this is that event which we are talking about. Okay, so just find the mistakes in our app, nothing else you have to do. You just have to find mistakes in our app, find bugs, and how you have to send it in the description. Like right now, if you just tap on the YouTube description, you will find out our WhatsApp number, you will find out our email address, and you will also find out our website. Okay, so any of the model you want to use, you want to connect us with in the WhatsApp number, happy to do it. If you want to connect via email, still okay. If you want to connect via website, contact us, still okay. Whatever way you want to contact us, you can contact us, but there is a catch to it. What is that catch? You should not be having this one thing, that is, you should not be just giving us a verbal thing, like just saying that I found bug, I found bug, I found bug. No, you need to screen record it. Whatever bug you find out, you need to screen record that bug. You need to show, you need to upload it into some whatever. If you are sending into WhatsApp, then you can directly upload, but if you are sending it via mail, then you can upload it in the mail like attachment. And you can also give description, a very small description. We are not looking for a big essay or big thing. A very small introduction about what that app or what that bug is about. If that bug is regarding that this XYZ option is not working, app crashing down, this feature not working, I cannot do this, I am facing difficulty in doing this. Facing difficulty, if you don't know anything, that is not a bug. Facing difficulty if you know things, but that app is not allowing you to do that thing, okay, that is a bug. Got it? Now, other than this is that bug hunting event. Other than this, you will be having some rules and regulations. Spelling mistakes are not considered to be a bug. Spelling mistake is just pure spelling mistake. It won't be considered as a bug. Okay? Bug will be something if the app is crashing down, some major crashes, some major bugs can help you to earn direct $50. Direct $50. Okay, you don't even have to collect 100 bucks. If you are finding out major ones, okay, I'm repeating it a lot of times so that you can you know what you have to do. Okay, other than that, there is also this one thing. If you find out, you can find out different bugs in different places. Like if there, you can check it out in website, you can check it out in your app. You can check it out in both places. If you are finding out same bug in both places, like website is also having a same bug and app is also having a same bug, it is considered as one. It is not going to consider as two because you find it out in two different places. No. But if there is a different bug in website and a different bug in app, that is considered as two. If it's different, but if it's the same, then it's gonna considered as one itself. Got it? Cool. Okay. And when you are gonna receive the rewards, when you are gonna receive the $50 or maybe whatever dollar you earn, it depends on you how many bucks are you collecting. After the 2 months, this is a 2-month event. After 2 months, we will be checking out all our messages, we'll be checking out all our screen recordings of finding bugs and blah stuff. We'll be verifying it if the bugs are genuine, if the bugs are like if some people are sending the same bug again and again, we'll be also verifying those stuffs. Once we verify, once we collect the number of amounts, we have your whenever you register in our app, we know your username, your user UID and everything. In that UID, we'll be transferring you that respective amount, like maybe $5, maybe 10, maybe 15, maybe 25, maybe 35, or maybe $50, depending on how many bucks you are collecting. Got it? Okay. So that is the bug hunting event, and the first one was the new user reward. The new user, every new user, there is no condition to it. If you download our app, you are gonna receive those rewards. New user rewards. Straight. Okay. So those were the things which I wanted to tell you all people. Now, What shall we do today? I'm not in mood of speaking a little bit of things. A little bit of I'm so in that mode of not speaking at all. But I will be speaking. What should we learn today? What should be that thing? Because I already told you regarding the what should we learn today? Is there any special requirement from all of you people? Like you want me to do anything? You want me to talk about anything or anything? If there is a special requirement from all of you people, just make sure that you are telling it to me. I will do it for today. Let's make it as a doubt clearing session today. You have any doubt, any problems, anything related to the app, related to the market, related to taking a trade, anything? Let's do it today. Gambare. Okay. Tell me about ORB. Okay. Okay. ठीक है. Person want to learn regarding ORB. Let's learn regarding ORB then. Let me just find out one thing. Ouch. Oh, whoa, wow, 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 wow. Yeah, I forgot to tell you about the news. I will continue the news and then we will talk about ORB. Because news is very important for you to know when you are dealing with crypto, when you are dealing with the stock, because that is a company. A positive and negative news can affect the trader sentiment. Who are the trader? It's just us. If we hear some sad news, obviously our mentality, our decision can gonna be affect with that emotion state. Okay. Okay. Let's study about our news. There are two news which I wanted to tell you today because these news are very important for you to know. You should be knowing what is happening around your crypto world. You should be knowing what is happening so that you can make a decision. So that you can know if it's there going to be a sudden upgrowth of the market or not or anything. Okay, you have to understand it with the people's mentality because that's the two behavior with market is gonna affect with either greed or either fear. So the Taurus launches the first private smart contract for stablecoins. What is this contract? What is this news about? What Taurus is doing? We'll get back to it. Let's get back to it into that news and we'll discuss what is going to happen. So the Taurus, a Swiss company that built a digital asset tools backed by big names like Deutsche Bank and Credit Suisse, has launched a first ever private smart contract for stablecoin. This system is designed to keep transaction private and secure. Unlike traditional blockchain where everything is public and visible, why does this matter? Right now, using stablecoin, crypto tied to the dollars for things like salary, company payment, or daily purchases is too risky to become because anyone can see your transaction on a public blockchain. Taurus fixes that issue by using zero knowledge proof, a type of cryptography, and building on the Aztec network, which is a privacy focused layer 2 blockchain. The key features of Taurus private stable contract: privacy. Only approved party like bank or regulator can see the balance or the transaction. That too if you approve it. No public tracking. Outsider can't spy on the wallet or figure out some investment strategy. It will be hard for us because this is very bad thing for us actually, because we are actually gonna miss out if there is a big investment coming and a big player is about to make a move which we track. SMC tracks about it. With the strategy we can do it, but the information, the news is which used to come that they made this investment, they made that investment, they made XYZ investment, they won't be coming if we do it. Okay, if they come on the Taurus private smart contract. Admin control includes minting, burning, pausing transaction and blacklisting a bad address. It will be all in the admin's control. Like a person's who is a owner, it will be in owner's control to include minting, burning, pausing transaction and blacklisting bad addresses. Audit friendly. Keep encrypted logs for regulator to trace if needed. Okay, it will be like there will be trace needed so that if there is a scam or something we still can see it, but only after some certain authority from the court or something like that. Okay, bank ready. Bank can use this in the real world finance without losing control or visibility. Okay, they can use it in the real world finance without losing control or the visibility, but it is not good for the us people. Okay, it is good for the bank because they will be noticing what stuff is happening, what stuff is not happening. Bitcoin long-term holders stack 800k Bitcoin per month in record holding. Okay, you shouldn't be checking out such kind of news a lot of time. What makes it unique? Traditional stable coin like USDC are transparent, everyone can see everything. Taurus version adds the confidentiality and regulator compliance, creating a bridge between crypto privacy and real world finance rules. What else has Taurus done? In February 2025, they also launched a private token standard for equity and debt, stocks and bonds, allowing the institutional issue those on the public blockchain while keeping the data private. Large context US crypto regulation. The US recently passed a Genius Act law tightening stablecoin rules, full dollar backing, consumer protection, anti-laundering measures, and license based on market size. Taurus moves align with this trend, making crypto more regulated and usable by the major institution. It is working for those major big people, not for us. This is not for us, but this is for those people. What is the future outlook? Stablecoin market is of $250 billion today. Taurus expected it to reach 1 trillion or 2 trillion by the end of 2030. As demand from the banks and people grow, especially with more friendly regulation. Why this is a big deal? This launch could change how stable coins are used in real life, like salary, business payment, and even by the central bank without compromising privacy or breaking any regulations. So this was the Taurus news which I want to tell you, which is gonna be a great thing for the big players but not great thing for us. This is a negative news for us because now big players investment news which used to come like from some places, we used to see their track their wallet, where they are investing, where they are not investing, if they're putting their money into some new coins or not. Everything we used to check before, but now we are. One second. I don't want it to go up. Okay, it is there. Okay. Let me just go up first. So this is gonna help a lot of those big players to hide their wallet, because they know one thing for very sure, that their wallet is being tracked, their investment is being tracked, which is helping a lot of small people to have a good amount of profit and every of those things. So to avoid those things, this Taurus has made a private smart contract for all the big players. Other thing which we are dealing with. Okay. Expert reveals why Ethereum can hit a record high this year and whether altcoin season are over or not. What is this all about? Let's check. The crypto market is rebounding strongly after a political tension between Iran and Israel eased. US President Donald Trump announced a ceasefire even through missile attack had just happened despite the confusion. Crypto prices are climbing back again. What's happening in the crypto market? Bitcoin jumped back to 107k level, which is close to its all-time high. Okay, not that close, but yeah, kind of close. Ethereum and Solana had dropped sharply after the US strike in Iran, but now are bouncing back faster even than BTC. Ethereum is 7.4% up in this 24 hours and Solana is up by 8.2% in 24 hours. Stock market are rising too, but experts warns not to get overconfident yet. What does Zhu Han Hasky Capital says? Hasky, there is one very good investment company, investment thing, and they have a very great analyst where they track the market, they think what the market is gonna go, what fundamental they are gonna face, what sentiment is there for the market, and every of those things they track. Okay, so Zhu Han, a partner at the crypto investment firm Hasky Capital, gave a key insight. Will Ethereum reach a new all-time high? Ethereum has dropped by 27.5% this year, while BTC is up by 12%. Zhu thinks Ethereum could set a new record by December, especially if global economic factor helps. Inflow of the Ethereum and ETF exchange trade fund increases. Like people are investing in Ethereum a lot. Are altcoin seasons over? No, says Zhu Han, but the altcoin seasons are changing. When the altcoin outperforms Bitcoin, the current bull cycle is more mature and the people are becoming smarter and more selective because they now know how the market is manipulating them, how to grab the liquidity and every of those things. Now they know regarding such stuffs, but we are still not knowing regarding how the market actually manipulates and triggers us. That is still not unclear by us. The current bull cycle is more mature and the people are becoming more smarter and collective. Where are we in the bull market? Zoo believes that we are in the middle phase of a current bull cycle. More countries are considering Bitcoin reserve following the Trump's push. ETF demand on the crypto is still growing. See, that's why US, UK are considered to be the first world country, because everything, whatever they do, is followed by the other country. They are the first to take decisions regarding anything. Now they became the first to take decisions regarding crypto reserve. India is still a third world country. Why? Because we're still not following, we're still not being updated to the market. They might be having their own reasons, they might be having their own difficulties or whatever XYZ thing they might be thinking about, like this can be, this can be not be good for us, our financial market or something, but I don't know. Okay, if world's first world country is doing it and they are having a good profit into it, they are having actually a good economical, they are becoming more stronger and stronger economic wise, then we should also be doing it, rather than just waiting for first people to do it, second people to do it, let them see the drawbacks and every of those things, and then we do it after an ages of time. That's why it is called as third world country, because we are living still a lot back age of lifestyle we are living compared to USA and UK. Okay, what should retailer investor do now? What should we do now? Let's talk about it. Zoo advises think like institution. That's the one thing I have told you so many times. Do not have a poor mentality to have a trade. Have a very good that mentality. Have a very rich mentality to take a trade, rather than having a poor mentality. Rather than just thinking about the capital, the risk, and every of those things. Try for once to take a risk. Try for once to think like the institution. Try at least think why institution people made such decisions. Why they are making such decisions for bull or for bear, for whatever reason they are making this decision. Why? What is the reason behind that? Try to actually find it so that you can understand their psychology, why they are more richer than you, why they are having more capital than you. Every of those things you will understand once you are dealing with the same psychology as an institution. Avoid chasing a quick profit. That's what I said. Like SMC doesn't give you a quick profit. SMC gives you, like, maybe in 1 week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks you are getting 4 to 5 trades, but they will be a quality trade. It will be a quality trade for all of you people. It won't be just a very small or very quick profit. Don't go for a quick profit. Go for a quality amount of trade which can give you a good quality amount of trade. That can be achieved by the smart money concept, which I have already talked about in my previous live streams. Okay. Focus on solid fundamental strong asset like Bitcoin and Ethereum. I get it, like why people are not focusing, why retailers are not focusing on the Bitcoin Ethereum right now, because we are not having that good capital to invest. But even though we can invest a very small small amount and make that holding a big by yearly price, the same way the institutional people are doing. The Meta Planet have a goal of having 210,000 Bitcoin, but he is not doing it at one time. He is doing it little by little. So if he has that kind of money, he's thinking about 2 lakh, you can think about 2,000. You need 2,000 Ethereum in your hand by the end of 5 years, 6 years. Every time you are slowly just investing in the money, investing your money, and then it can grow better. Okay, that's the mentality a retailer should be having. What's next? Analysts now believe there is a 90 to 95% chance that Ethereum for XRP and Solana will get approved this year by Security Exchange Commissions. US regulator, they are US regulator, like they are 90% of the ETF will be also available for XRP and Solana. Those are the meme coin based coins. Okay, if that happens, altcoin could surge again. The people who are thinking that this can be the next Bitcoin, this can be the next Ethereum, this is not just a meme coin just made for fun without having any fundamentals, without having any good uses in the future, they can become those things if this regulation is passed by for XRP and Solana, because these are the two main coins on the meme blockchain. Summary: Ethereum might hit a new high by the December if the ETF and the market trends align. Altcoin seasons are dead, just evolving. Retailers, investors should take a long-term approach rather than having a very short-term goals, rather than having a very short-term, short. Rather than just having a very short-term goals, we should be having for a long-term thing. We should be thinking rather than just thinking about the tomorrow, yesterday, or something. We should be thinking about an year back, a generation next, or something like that. Retailers, okay, market is in a mid bull cycle with more ETF and institutional interest. Okay, market is in a mid bull cycle with a more ETF and institutional interest. Right now, a lot of ETF, exchange trade funds things, and lot of those other institutional people, they are very interested in the Bitcoin right now, because one follows another. In the institutional people, they will keep on following each other per time. So these were the things which I wanted to tell you all people regarding the news. First was a Taurus, which is actually it's a bad news for us. We won't be able to track the big institute people if they sign into it. Okay, the big institute people who are not signing into Taurus, then we can track them. But if I really think that they will, because they know this one thing for very sure, that by looking at their wallet transactions, where they are investing, where they are putting their money, how much inflows and outflows they are doing, we can actually make a very good amount of this thing, like utilize their investment to make our profit, which they understand and they don't want to do it, I guess, which majority of the people don't want to do. So we are having and we are facing this issue because of that situation. Got it? Okay. Now let's get back to into our strategy, which I wanted to tell you all people regarding ORB, opening range breakout. What is an opening range breakout? First of all, let's just remove everything. Okay, this was a setup of smart money concept. Okay, this is a setup of smart money concept. This is not a setup for ORB. Smart money concept tells you regarding the fair value gaps of the people, supply zone, demand zone, so that we can track where our market is moving in between. Got it? We can discuss this smart money concept a little later. For right now, let's talk about ORB. We'll also be talking about how useful this strategy is. We'll be checking out if this strategy is actually useful or not useful. And the people who are wondering what this indicator is, this is one is inducement stop hunt TFO, which tells me regarding from where the market is grabbing liquidity. This was the place where market grabbed liquidity. This was the place. This was the place. All the places where you can see this line are the places where the market grabbed majority of liquidity. What is majority of liquidity? Majority of liquidity is basically how many stop losses were there and how many stop losses were hit. That's all the market will tell you regarding, nothing else. Let me get hot water here again. My throat is spinning. Just a second, brother, just a second. Came back. So that is this indicator, which is inducement stop and inducement stop and TFO. This is that thing. Okay, other than this, the other indicator which I'm using is Lux Algo, which tells me about fair value gap. Where are the fair value gaps? Because we have seen when we common thing that fair value gaps are nothing but where the big institutional people's limit order is placed. So market, you can clearly see a lot of time the market made a fair value gap. It will try to come again because there are next fair value or next limit order placed over there. From they will again jump, again come, again jump. You can see the same thing repetitive for a long period of time. Fair value gap created, market went, came down again, and from their exact point it went straight up. Same thing happened, fair value gap created, market came down, tapped in the fair value gap, again went up. Same scenario. You can see it for lot period of time. You can see the same thing. Like wherever there is a fair value gap, the market is jumping from there. The market is for green side, and there is a red side as well. If the fair value gap is for the downside, if the fair value gap is for the downside, the same exact thing is happening in opposite. Market came down, created a fair value gap, market went to tap into it but went down. That is a use that you can know, like how the market can work, what can be the next situation, what can be the next possible situation in the market, so that you can know the major reversal, from where the market can take a reverse, from where the market can fall down, or from where the market can go up. These situations can be given to us by fair value gap indicator. Even if you don't want to use indicator, the fair value gap is very easy to find. You just have to find a gap between three candles. Like for example, if this is the candle, I will show you. For example, this is a candle. So the first candle's high, if there is a gap between first and the third candle, this is the first candle's high and this is the third candle's low. If there is a gap between, you can clearly see there is a gap. If there is a gap between this third and first candle, that is called as FVG, fair value gap. Why there is a gap? Because this was not placed organic. The market came to that point and suddenly gave a good rise. Why? Because a good investment, a heavy investment, a very strong investment was placed, the order was placed over there. Okay, without even doing anything. Like this, not manually, like you are going for buy, going for sell, it is a recording. No, it is a sell order. Once the market tapped into that, and the amount is also very huge amount, because obviously industrial people are not going to use a very small amounts for you to have a trade. They will obviously using a big amount. That's why we can see big candles whenever they enter in the market. Okay, this fair value gaps helps you in understanding where can be the next push up from the market. Okay, so this is the two indicator which I use a lot for finding out where the market is grabbing the liquidity, that is where the market is majorly grabbing the stop losses of the market, of the retailers, so that I can avoid that situation. Like this is a place where market grab the most of the stop loss. I won't put the stop loss over there because that same thing can happen again. Got it? Fair value gap for me to have a reversal situation. Like if the market is created fair value gap, the next time the market falls down to that exact moment, I can enter for that XYZ thing. If it's a green fair value gap, green FVG, then I can go for the buying situation. But if it's a red fair value gap, then I can wait for the market to tap into that situation again, which will tap. Okay, the high chances of tapping is 98%. 2% there can be a steady growth like this. One second. See this kind of steady growth. There are also fair value gaps created. Fair value gap but steady growth. Fair value gap but steady growth. Okay, straight went up, market didn't tap into, came down. If the market comes down to that moment of that fair value gap, maybe from there are high chances that market can go up again. hot water is making me feel good actually. ना 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 जाने मन भगवान जानता है मेरे प्यार से शैतान भागता है. सॉरी, आई एम सीधे मत पगलू. Kajal, we are gonna discuss ORB right now. I am gonna teach you regarding the strategy, which I told you already, but if you want to have a discussion regarding ORB, I can tell you. Okay. I will also show you how much it is accurate for the stock market and how much is accurate for the crypto market as well. What can be the situation which can happen, how to avoid those situation, and how to take a perfect entry, and what are the key things which you need to observe. जाने मन भगवान जानता है मेरे प्यार से शैतान भागता है. मेरे पेन की लकीर से ब्रह्मांड नापता है, पर मैं लिखता नहीं हूँ क्योंकि हाथ कांपता है. ये वाला फिर okay. Let's learn regarding ORB. I told you this fair value gap, these are the fair value gaps itself, but the market has not tapped into those things. So if the market hasn't tapped, these are the situation as well. 98% of time, the market will come down to that fair value gap to get tapped and then go up, because not all the time investors are having just one trade. Okay, there are millions of like things, like when the industrial people, rather than having a very huge investment in one trade, they will make it divide this price, whatever price they want to invest, they will divide this price into 3 or 2 or 4 trades, and they will be putting the limit order that one trade at this point, second trade at this point, third trade at this point, fourth trade at this point, which market can see. The market can see that limit order, and they make the market go down by that percent or whatever the price is there. They can make the market go down. Okay, cool. So this was the fair value gap. I just told you regarding my two indicators. Now let's just get back to our fair value gap, our ORB situations. Now, okay, ORB, let me just explain you what is ORB first. ORB, I'm not going to typing and all. I'm not in the mood to type and brush it up today. So very basic, very simple. ORB. What is ORB? ORB is basically opening range breakout. Opening range breakout. ORB. Got it? Now, what does ORB talks about? ORB talks about that whenever the market is opening, the first candle, the first sentiment of the market, the first day candle, okay, like stock market has open and close timings. They open at 1 whatever XYZ time in the morning, and they close at XYZ timing in the evening. After that evening till the next morning, they have a very big pause in the market. Now in that big pause, anything can happen. A news factor can come. Market is like the company is announcing something. The company announced some XYZ thing, new product, new this thing. Now this whatever happens from that evening time to the next day morning time affects the mentality of the investors. Then they decide the first day of the morning, the first candle in the morning will decide what kind of market will there be today. The first day thing affect, like I told you, it affects by the people's, like the other people's decision, like whatever happened from that evening to the morning, whatever news they consumed, whatever other thing they saw in the market or in that company, or they did something for them. So they, according to that thing, whatever they provided to the people's mind, to the people, they will think regarding it, and from that XYZ, either greed or fear will be triggered. GF, girlfriend. Either girlfriend will be triggered, because girlfriend also have these two sides. They are also greedy and they are also having fear. Okay, so the greed will make the market go in upside. They will decide that today we want the market to go up, or the next is fear, the first decision made by the market. Now, or it can be green candle or it can be red candle, that doesn't matter. That depends on the whatever behavior the market is having, either having a greed or either having a fear. Now you get this point. I will delete this. Now the first movement is, first candle is nothing but the first sentiment of investor. Okay, I'll do short time. The first candle is nothing but the first sentiment of the move, like the market, investor, first sentiment, what they thought in the whole, from the evening to the morning, what is going to happen the next day, is it going to go for the buy, is it going to go for the sell, who are having the maximum majority, are they having a maximum majority for bulls, are they having maximum majority for the bears, that will be decided in the first candle. Now this is a first move done, first move. From that, what you need to do, you need to make a range in that first sentiment of the market. From that high, you know the candle has four components. H, L is common for the green candle and the red candle, but the opening and closing is different for green and open. If it's a green candle, the opening will be from bottom and closing will be on the top, representing the market price went up. But if it's not a green candle, if it's a red candle, then opening will be above and closing will be below, representing the market price went down. Got it? Very simple. Now, whatever that is, we just have to focus on two things, that is H of the candle and L of the candle. We don't have to give like anything about if the candle is green or the red. We just want to see the first sentiment. If first sentiment is green, fine, it is a green. If the first sentiment is red, fine, it is red. That's all we have to know about, nothing else. Now, that's all we have to think about. Now, whenever we make a range from that first sentiment, H and the L will make a whole big line. So let me just delete it. This is that first line, first candle, H, L. We just made one line here and one line here. Horizontal line, plain simple horizontal line. Now, the market is gonna move wherever direction, like it will try to go up, it will try to be in that one range, it will try to be in that one range. Okay, and the condition over here is that this first candle which you are watching should not be 5 minute, 15 minute, should not be 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute. It should be at least 45 or 1 hour, 2 hour. This kind of candle it should be. Okay, either 1, 2 or 45 minutes. This 5, 15 minute, 30 minute candle is not gonna give you a true sentiment of the market. Because in 15 minutes, what if the people are not waking up at 15 minutes? What if the people want to take their time, see the market, and then they want to enter? So at least give 45, 1 hour or 2 hour to one candle to form. That is basically watching the time frame. Either you should do for 45 minutes, 1 hour or 2 hour. This is a 3 time frame which you should watch for opening range breakout. Okay. These are the 2 things which you need to do for opening range breakout, nothing else. 45, 1 hour or 2 hour. Now that XYZ candle is formed, let me just remove it. Yeah. Now XYZ candle is formed. The whole candle is moving in that range. Okay, the whole market is moving in that range. They are making the candle. They are making the candle. They are making the candle. Now you just have to wait for the market to either give breakout down, like one candle give a breakout down, or one candle give you a breakout up. It depends where the market wants to go. If it wants to go up, gives breakout up, then you will do the buying. If it wants to go the breakout down, you will go for selling. But I just want to tell you this one thing. This works. I'm not denying that it doesn't work. I will show you examples in the live market itself that it worked. But 98% of the time, there are 2% chances that market can have a different sentiment depending on some XYZ new good news which is coming to the market. What if the news coming good in the market for a very negative news? Even if it gave you a breakout. In the starting, the market was having a bullish sentiment, but after that XYZ, the news came, the market whole crashed. So the news factor, the big industrial factor, or if the market wants to grab liquidity, there are three positions. There are three situations where ORB can go wrong. What is that three situation? One, let me state it. ORB back draw. ORB back draw. One will be the news. If the market is currently going on from that morning time, the market started, and in between afternoon, this is afternoon, in between there is a very huge news coming for that XYZ company, for that XYZ things, or the XYZ global thing like tariff attacks, like war or something. Anything can happen in between. Okay. From the morning till afternoon, there was a bullish sentiment in the market. The market was going up. But with that negative news, the whole market fall down. So first drawback of ORB is first news. Positive or negative. They both can affect the market. How positive can affect? For example, the ORB, this is a range, and the market started with a downfall. They gave you breakout for down, that is for selling. You did sell. Okay. Now a positive news came regarding anything, like consider ceasefire. At the starting day of, it was ceasefire happened at 26 or 25. I guess 25 it happened. 2 days ago, right? 2 days ago I feel. So 2 days ago that ceasefire happened. In the starting, we were having a downfall of the market because the war was going on, still going on. But once the ceasefire news came that the US did this, and he posted that now ceasefire is there, you don't have to worry regarding any of those things. Now from that moment, again the market went up. For example, in the starting, the first day, in the first candle sentiment, even if you're watching for hours, if the first hour sentiment gave you a sells option, but with a positive news, again the market is up. So news is very, very important for a backdraw of the ORB. Okay, you understood the first thing, that is news. I will tell you about the second thing as well. NAMI. ORB full form. ORB is called as arrow. I will delete everything. Let's say opening range breakout. Okay. O, R and B. Opening range breakout, that is a full form of ORB, NAMI. Got it? Cool. Let's remember. So we were talking about ORB's drawback. ORB drawbacks. Backdraw, drawbacks, whatever you call it, drawbacks. First was news. Now let's talk about second. Second is ICT. What is ICT? Industrial people. I also don't know about ICT full form. It's something industrial company, something. What is ICT full form? ITC or ICT? ICT meaning in trading. I just know the legit meaning, that is inner circle trade. No, not ICT. I guess it's smart money technique. ITC, I guess. ITC. Let's go for ITC. Google showed me one short form, one full form. It called as SMT. It should be smart money trading, but it shows me sucking my teeth. Why such full forms? Sucking my teeth. What do you mean by sucking my teeth? Okay, leave it. I'll just give you one random thing. ICT is nothing else than big players, the whales. I will just, like, rather than confusing you people, I will just write whales over here. Whales. The big people who have big money, who can make change in the market like this. And market can obey that change because the investment they are having is very huge. Now, for example, the first, I will give you example for that as well. Okay. This is that first candle. We made a range. That's our range. Now here all the retailers are there. Small investors, small investor. With the majority we go for the downside. But at the downside, that ITC guy, the big whale guy, the big industrial people guy came and thought that right now market price is very, very low. I will put one limit order at a very heavy investment, 1,000 crore, 2,000 crore, 5,000 crore kind of investment I will put in the market. And from that point, you will see a very huge candle will come. With that huge candle, other people will also try to follow that huge candle because they know we should follow the whales, because whale are the one who is going to take the market to the next gen thing. Either can be for upside or either can be for the downside. Okay. So these are the whales issue. If the market gave you a downside, there is selling going on, down. Suddenly a very good big candle came for ICT. Your order is going to go wrong. Okay. Big whale interaction. It can happen for the both side. Okay, it's not just for the downside. If the market is giving you a bullish sentiment, from there they think like right now, okay, the supply is there a lot, buying pressure is a lot there. The market, the big industrial people, the whales will take the market whole big red candles, and your trade will go wrong for both sides. So it depends on the whales what they are thinking. First was the news, second was the whales. Now the third. Market, not G, it's Q. Market liquidity, G, that is grab. Okay, market liquidity grab. What is market liquidity grab? Market liquidity grab is basically okay, I need a little space. This was the candle, right? We have a one certain XYZ amount of candle. We made the range, opening range. Now breakout. Market gave a breakout up. Now this candle gave you a breakout. Majority of the people actually wait for it to give you a proper, like not half candle. They will wait for the complete candle to be out. Okay. Some majority of people wait for complete candle to be out in ORB, but some people enter here as well. Now, whenever you are entering at the half side, obviously this is that low or the next candle low. This is the place where you are gonna keep your stop loss. If you are having this as your entry, you are gonna keep this as your stop loss, right? Now, if for that day you are unlucky and market is having great number of outflows. People are taking their money out of the market for their profit. Lot heavy outflow happened in the market. Now market doesn't feel good regarding an outflow. Market doesn't at all feel good regarding an outflow. Market wants a good inflows, more money. Market is a very greedy thing. Okay, they need just money. If they gave you a good amount of inflows, okay, now what is gonna happen is the market is not going to do anything. No uncertain movements if there is a good inflow. But the time they see that right now our market is having a lot of outflow of the market is nothing else than the market is having a loss. People's, like I told you, people's profit, us, the retailers' profit, the big industrial people's profit is actually a loss for the market. And the loss of us, industrial people, retailers, our loss is actually profit of the market. It works in a reverse psychology. Our profit, their loss, our loss, their profit. Keep that thing in mind. If the market is having a tremendous amount of loss that day, a good amount of outflow, they are not having a good amount of inflow in the market, the money is little less in the market, and they are feeling that if the money is little less, if all the people are taking the money out, there may be chances that market can crash, because people see other people, they see a lot of red candles forming, they will also do, okay, I will also do selling. Majority of people will do sellings. At that moment what happens is, if the market is doing selling, I differ. Okay, I will give you both examples. First, let's give us the example of buying. If the market is having a good number of outflows, and from that cheap price is there. Now outflow happened, market went down. Now at that point, market is having a lot of cheap prices. People saw cheap prices, their greed got activated. They made the market go up. Now, once the market go up, they know that heavy buying is happening. Why? Because market is actually at a very low price. They know it. Now, they also know regarding everything. How many accounts are here? How many investment is this? How many investment is here? Like how many stop loss with XYZ amount as well. Like here there is XYZ amount, here there is XYZ amount in a very big, not just one person's, but the quantity of person who have put on like a common stop loss at that one point. What market will do? Market will intentionally bring the whole candle down just to grab the losses of the people so that they can compensate this outflow. This losses grab is equal to the inflow of the market. The market got their inflows. That is your this thing. And now let's just go and understand for a downside. Okay, market went downside with heavy selling. Market knows that outflow is going on. They will make the market go up just to grab the stop losses over here. Once they grab the stop losses, they are having liquidity in the market. With the liquidity, they can go up now. Same thing. So these are the three drawbacks of the ORB drawbacks. 3 drawbacks. 90. This is a 2%. 2% time, any of these 3 things can happen. In that 2%, 98, I told you 98% of time there is a win rate. But that 2% can be news, whales, or market liquidity. These are the 3 people's movement. Okay, cool. You understood ORB now? Very simple. Opening, range, breakout. The first candle conditions, it should be 45 minute, 1 hour or 2 hour candle. This is a time frame which the candle should be. Okay, just put a range in that candle, complete infinity range. Okay, the candle should go till the end. Watch the market in between where the market is moving, gives the crossover above, go for the buy. By the end of the market, you will be seeing that the market is actually above the buy. If the market crosses the sell side, then go for the sell side. The market will be in the sell side 98% of the time. 98%. If the 98% is not happening, the 2% of the time, either news, whales, or market can make it go wrong. Market can grab liquidity, whales can do heavy investment, and news can affect the people's mentality. What happened? Nothing happened. Okay, now let's just go and change it to 45 first. We'll talk about 45 1 as well, which time frame is the most accurate. 45 1 hour and 2 hour. We'll take almost let's have 5 examples of each. 5 example, 5 days, 5 opening candles, and we'll check out. Or let's have more than 5 because 5 win rate calculation will be little odd. Let's have 10 days. 10 days. This calculation, got it? 10 days for each candles, each time frame. 45 minutes, 10 days will calculate 10 days opening this thing, where it gave record, where the market is, how much profit you can get, and blah blah stuff at the end of the day. Other thing, 10 example. Okay, so let's go by the recent time frame. Today is 27. Okay, so 27's starting. This was 11:15. This is 12, and this is 12's that candle. Okay, let's just see which is 12 that candle. This is no. This is. Okay. It is 12:27 going on 27, 26, 26, 26, 26, 26. Okay. Is this the candle? The first candle? This is that first candle from that position. This one. Can you see 12:45? You see the timing. Friday 27 June 2025, 12:45 candle. The first candle of the first day. We will put this line. We will put this line on the H and the L of that candle. Now we can clearly see that the first candle itself give you breakout above, but market traveled a little, and from there, due to this fair value gap, can you see fair value gap over there? Fair value gap is who? Fair value gap is nothing other than the whales. The whales made the market go down from here. Again, it is going up actually. Okay, we haven't ended at the day, but okay, we should have done for the 26th, the day which is completed. We won't consider 27 because 27 day is not ended. The market fall down, but again is trying to go up. We don't know whether it will end over here, end over here, end over here, end over here. We don't know. Let's talk about those one which we know, which is 26. Okay, 25, 25, 25, and this is 25 starting. Okay, this is the one. Let's make horizontal line, one on the H, one on the L. Now, where is the end of 26? Which was that candle, by the way? This was the candle, right? Okay, 11:45 candle. We had a breakout above. From above, breakout didn't happen, didn't sustain, came down, again went up, came down, and this is where we ended our day. This is that candle which ended our day. This is that candle which ended Okay, so let's keep a record. First went wrong. First day went wrong because it gave you opening. This was the opening candle. Yeah, this was the opening candle of that day. This was the previous day. This was the opening candle. It gave you breakout above. The market should have been above. It went above, like almost, if you calculate the percentage, how much market went above. This is the 0.72%, not that much, but yeah, market went above, and from there the market ended at the downstairs. So our first thing went wrong. Now let's go for the second day. This is 25, 26, 24, and this is 25. Okay, this is that candle of 45, this long. Let's just see. Let's put it at the L. This is that candle. Okay, that's the candle of 45. This one, I should make sure that you can see it. This is that candle we are looking at, and let's delete the previous one because we know it didn't work. We have a record over here. First trade went wrong. Now the second trade, it gave you a breakout above. This was the breakout above. We happened again, the breakout above happened. Now this was the first candle. Let's just go and check out the last candle of 25. Last candle of 25. Okay, this was the last candle. No, this yeah, this was the last candle of the 25. I will just mark it with an brush. Yeah, okay, this is 11:15. This is the last candle of this. Okay, that's our candle over there. Let's see after the breakout, from the breakout, what kind of percentage we got from there. This was the last candle. 0.94% we got. The market said the breakout is gonna up. The market stayed up. So our second trade went right. Let's have it here. First trade went wrong, second trade went right. Okay, we are gonna do the series of 10 we will check out, or I can just wait, I can just number it. It will save the space for me. 1, 2, I can have space 2 space 3 space 4 space 5 space 6 space yeah, space 6 space 7 space 8 space 9 space and last 10. Okay, we will see which one will be the perfect one. Till right now, can I make emoji? We'll put emoji. We'll have that cross emoji, right? I guess we have. Yeah, this is the cross emoji. First was wrong. Okay. Second was right. First was wrong, second was right. Now let's go for the third one. First we did was 26 June. Then we did for 25, which became correct. Now let's go do it for 24 June. The opening. 24 June. Where is 24 June ending? Move. 24. Yeah, this is the 24 start. This is the first candle of 24. Okay, let's just see. I cannot see that candle. This is, yeah, This one, yeah, the green one. I will point it out for all of you people. Yeah, that's the one. That's the opening range candle for us. We will put our one H and one L on that candle. This is that candle. Now we will see. First it gave us a breakout down. I told you majority of people wait for the candle to actually move out from that range. It gave you breakout down, but the candle, the green candle, was still stick to that line. From there it gave you a breakout above. Now this is the candle which is completely outside our range. So we go for a buy situation, right? Because this candle didn't leave the range. It was just still sticking to that range. This was that candle which left out of that range. We got our confirmation that we have to do buying. Now let's see the end of June, 24 June. Yeah, this is that candle. Yes, this is that candle. This is that candle where the 24 June was ended. You can check out the time down. 25 June 10 like 12 it is. The 12 is the ending time. From here the 25 will start. This was the end of 24. Now let's check out the price. From this the market went till here. 1.31% the market was up. Okay, got it? So our second as well became right. Okay, second also is third also is right for us, correct? Okay, till now we are having first one was a loss, second one was correct, third one was correct. Now let's go for this was 26, 25, 24. Let's go for 23. Let's see 23 market. Let me just delete the previous line so there is no confusion to it. Okay, and if you want I can also like make these things invisible. Okay, this was the start of 25 for 24, end of 24. Now let's go for 23. 22, 22, 22, 22, 22, 22, 22, 22, 22, 23. This is the first candle of 23. 12:45. Okay, 12:45. I will show you that candle. This is that candle, right? Yeah, 12:45. This is that opening candle. Same procedure. One on the H, one on the L. After that, let's just see. We can clearly see that I told you the complete candle should be outside. I can see these are the two candle which was completely, this was in the line. This is not breakout for me. I will wait for a complete candle to be outside that range, break out of that range. This is that candle. I go for buying. Now this is 24's end. This is that candle. Okay, we'll just change it from here. This is the red candle is that candle which is 23rd's end. You can clearly see the time over here, 24 June 2025, 12:12. Now from here, if I count, that's my candle over there. 3.80% the market is up. From that breakout itself, you got that idea. Can you see it? You know it. Okay, breakout ORB. Now let's update it again into our thing. We are having how much, right? Till now we are having, okay, till now we are having 4, right? Just first one was wrong. After that complete 4 was right. You can clearly see what I was talking about, like why it is the most popular and easiest strategy. Do you have to do anything for this? No, you just have to see the opening candle, put the range, wait for a breakout. That's all you need to do. And be aware of those 3 situations: news, whales, and the market. That's all. Till the 4, till right now our progress 1 wrong, 3 right. We still have 6 left. Let's go for, this was 26, 25, 24, 23. Let's go for 22. 22. By doing 10 we can decide a win rate for it. Let's just first delete the previous one so we won't get confused. अरे यार, okay, cool. So 22 start. Okay, this is 22 start, and the next one is a 22's first candle. This red one, market start first. That red candle, okay, that red candle. Now let's just have one line on the H, one line on the L. Now we can clearly see we got a breakout down. Got it? This was a complete breakout. The market till here, first it like this was the market started. From here it sustained at the line. From there we can clearly see a very good breakout. Now the last candle of 22. This is that this is that last candle of 22. Now let's just check out the profit. From here the line breakout and it went till here, 1.81% of profit. But if you were having like a 2 reward risk reward ratio, market actually went 3.60%. from where it went up. See, like I told you, every people have a different way of doing a trading. Some people are happy with 0.5% of this thing. What is happening to my computer? So this was 3.60% of profit you already got, but from there the market actually went up. But if you were that person who wanted 1% and you are happy, you could have exited and got 3.60% of profit. Okay, now again let's update it on our timing. Okay, 4, even 5th is right. Even 5th gave us the correct this thing. ORB for 5th is also good. So till now, out of 5, we are just having 1 and all wrong. That gives us 99% of win probability for 5. But we still have more 5 to discover. Once we discover more 5, then we will decide if it's gonna give us 98%, 99%, 95, 80 or what percent of win rate it can give us. Okay. Till 5, we are having first wrong. That was 26. This was 26. Leave it. 26, 25, 24, 23, 22. We saw 22, the latest one. We'll complete the rest 5. I'm just gonna take a little 10-minute break. Okay, I really require 10-minute break. I am live since like almost 2 hours I'm live, and I would love to take a break after 2 hours. I will be coming back in, let's say, 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes break I'm gonna have. We'll discuss the rest of stuff later. 15-minute break. Okay, bye people. I want water. Hey. When will people be back? Okay. Let's start. Till now what we did? Till now we did ORB trading strategy testing. We are gonna do complete 10 strategy testing for 10 days. We will be watching the market for the 10 days and we will see how many of them are success, how many of them are not success. Okay, till now we only saw one was unsuccessful, rest 4 was success. Now let's go for the 6th. We started from 26, 25, 24, 23, 22. Now the 6th one will be for 21 June. Let's go. 21 June. Let's first delete the previous ORB and the line as well. Okay, 21 start. Okay, this is 21 start. Cool. This is the 121 starting. Small candle. This is 21 starting. Okay, now we'll put the normal lines, one on the edge, one on the L of that opening candle. Okay, now we can see the market has given us a breakout above. This is the breakout which is above. Okay, now we go for the buy position, but let's just check at the end of the 2020. Yeah, this is the end of 22. One second. Okay, sorry, the people gave me task, the interview. I don't know for what interview is gonna happen, but people are coming for the interview and I have to tell them to wait because there is no one in the office. Cool, I leave those things. So this was the opening range breakout which we leave this yeah. So this was that opening range breakout we saw, that is for up, that is we gonna do buy. But as we can see at the end of 22, this is that candle which ended on 22, it is down. So our trade became wrong. Why it became wrong? You can clearly see because of the big thing which was going on. This was the time period of the news. 22 was the thing where Iran and Israel had the major conflict, where Iran and Israel's fight was going on. They had a fight, the missile was going on here and there. This is basically the war period. Okay, so due to this war period, we can see that I told you that 2% chances are there that thing can go wrong side, and we can clearly see this was a situation of the news. Right? This was a war escalation situation where the drastic downfall happened. Not an organic one, but a drastic one. Okay, cool. So this became wrong. We should update it that it became wrong. Okay. Till now we are having 4 right, 2 wrong. Got it? 4 right. A little down. And 2 wrong we are having. Let's go for this was 21. Let's go for 20th of June. What happened on 20th of June? Did the strategy work for 20th of June or not? Before that, let's delete the previous one so we won't get confused. Okay. 20th start. Okay, this is that candle of 20th start. Got it? Okay. This red one. 12:45 this candle was made. First candle of 20 June. One on the H, one on the L. Now No, it's not like every time the strategy is gonna fail fit, because people can do the selling. Like, people saw the market went up right here. Many of the people may have exited from the market because they got whatever XYZ profit they wanted to have. Okay, have that escalation thing in your head. It's not like you have to hold it till the end of the day. Till the end of the day, I'm just showing you the strategy. You can take advantage of this situation as well, where the market is up. You can have your target, XYZ amount of target, and you can exit the market as well. Okay, not always you have to wait for the market to finish and blah blah stuff. Okay, so I can clearly see that 21 is also a down, and it gave us a breakout above. Which is that candle? Which was that candle? This was the candle. It gave us a breakout above. Yeah, this was the breakout, and we can clearly see from where the market fall down. This was an institutional ITC thing. Again, the second percentage, in that 2% we are having some situations. In that 2% we were having the big whales, news, or the market. Okay, now whenever you see a big candles, they are nothing else than ITC people, the big whales. Big whales made the market go down. So even the 20th one, see, you got profit. You cannot deny that you didn't got profit. How much profit is this? Almost 1.39% of profit you got. After, when the market is on fall, you can exit the trade. You don't have to wait for the last candle to come. Okay, so but still, where is it? Okay, the 7th also became wrong for us. 3 wrong, 4 right. But even in this 3 wrong, you could have had a chance. In first, you didn't had a chance. It gave you complete wrong thing. But in 7th, it actually gave you a chance to have 1.3% of profit in the market and exit. Okay, don't consider this is completely wrong. Market actually gave you breakout above. It went above, and after that, it had a downfall. Just delete this recession. 20. Now let's go for 19. Okay, this is 19 over here. 19th June, and we are watching 45 one. Okay, there are chances good thing to happen in 1 hour as well and 2 hour as well. They are more accurate. 19 start. This was the 19 start candle. This was that candle. One on H, one on L. Yeah. Where do we got a breakout? We got a breakout in the down situation. Where is the 20th candle starting? And this is 19, 20. Yeah, this is where the 20 candle started. It gave you a downfall, but it didn't continue the downfall. It went up from there. Again, 8th became wrong. Yeah, 8th. It became wrong. This was complete wrong. In here, you had a chance. This was like you had a chance to get 1.34% of profit over here. Okay, you cannot just deny it. You had a chance to get 1.34% of profit. 8th was completely wrong because it didn't give you chance to win anything. Like 0.1, 0.2, that kind of thing you won. That's it, nothing else. Now let's go for 18th, and the last win will be 17th. Okay, 18th. First, delete the previous one. Okay, this is 18th. This is that 18 candle. Okay, this got it. Now let's go for that. This is one over here, one over here. We got a breakout above, but it came down, and then we got breakout both the side. That was not that having that much good of volume, so people don't enter at volume. We saw a breakdown below. Where is a 19th candle, 19th candle, okay, 19th end. Okay, this is that candle over here. This was also unsuccessful because no volume. There is nobody in here, very less volume. The market just went sideways. Okay, even see, I'm giving you the truth fact. Okay, I'm not buttering anything. If it's wrong, it is wrong. Seven had that opportunity. 8, 9 also went wrong. Now last 10th, which is 17th. 17th. Let's first delete the previous one. 17. This is 17. 17 start. This is that candle. Yeah, this is that candle of 17 start. Let's put it an H and a bottom. This is that candle, okay, where we are looking at. This is that candle. The H and the L gave a breakout down. Where is 18? 18 start was, this is that 18 start. Okay, this candle. Now from here to here we can see 2.8% market fall. Gave a correct answer. Now out of how many things are right, how many things are wrong? It became correct. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wrong and 5 right. Out of the 10 trade, 5 are wrong. 50% probability came from the ORB for the crypto market. And that also, see, so many wrong. Why it happened? Because this was a period of war escalation. Okay, this is a war escalation period where the market was facing some war issues. Market was not acting properly. It was not doing a proper stuffs. So it was facing a situation. Got it? Okay. So that's why our probability became 50%. Okay. So honest you are. Obviously I have to be honest. Let's delete everything. Okay. Let's put the same strategy for today's market. Where is this? Okay, this is the start. This is the second candle. Let's see what we are going to have it, and let's enter in the market according to the ORB itself. How much profit we can get, how much profit we cannot not get. Market said, market give breakout above. The whole market is right now here somewhere. So we'll go for buy situation. Okay, we entered for buy situation. Let's put our take profit at this top, that is 700 USDT. That's all. I'm not a greedy person. I want to have that amount of profit where the market touched. Okay, so we are gonna just check out if this ORB strategy actually works or not. I've made the opening range breakout strategy. This is the opening candle, which you can see over here. This is that opening range, opening candle. We made a range, it gave you breakout above. From there the market came down again and we entered for the buy side because it gave you entry above, breakout above. So we are having a profit right now, and we will just check out by the end of the time. I'm gonna leave by 4:30. So till 4:30 we will check if the market is actually gonna be above or not. Got it? Okay, and we'll keep our trade as it is until the end of the day. I'm required to have 0.71% profit, because that's the last high the market made. I don't want to have a like major requirement. $758 is enough for me according to my. So let's just wait. This is my trade which is been placed over here. Okay, now let's play the game. Okay, we'll play the game and we'll see our market side by side. Okay, all the things which were supposed to be taught to you is taught already. I am not putting any stop losses because I don't believe in stop losses. Relation maximum, hit, no mercy, no reset. Unlock full power with a diamond pass. No, bro, it's fine. Let's go and see. Yeah, 4 card showdown is the one which I want to play. Is there any... what is this? Who is this? Dragon's Gift? Is there a new card which is gonna come? Nice. Garden of Roses. Free. 21 hours. I think there is a new girl is gonna come. Who is Dragon? Wait, let's see. Let's have connection. Scroll down, scroll, 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 scroll. Where is Dragon? I cannot see Dragon. The new girl, the new girl, the new girl. I want to see the new girl's power, what she does. Okay, legendary, bandit, this. Till now, here she didn't came till now. But I can see her here. There is a Dragon's Gift. Who is she? Who is this girl? Who is this girl? Wow. Nice. Is there a new... See, we are having 106 USDT profit till now. Just by that strategy. Every day we're gonna come and we're gonna check our strategies if it's working or not. In front of you all people. I think I know this one. Okay. I wanna play tournament itself. Same deck, should we carry on with the same deck? Yes, let's carry on with the same deck. Battle starts. I guess till now a lot of people might have found out. Oh, he's not playing. Might be he knows his deck sucks. Okay, no issues. First, very easy first win. Very easy first win. Let's go. Second. Game number 2. I'm gonna go for here. I'm gonna go for here. And I'm gonna go for here. I'm gonna go for here. The double elixir. It's gone, bro, already. Oh shit. Aiyar, why this close, bro? You could have put it a little far. Oh shit. Okay, I think I should do this. I should do this. I should do this. I should do this. अरे यार. What? Why they were not attacked? Why they were not attacked? Why they were not attacked? Done. Done. Let's go for another match. So tired. Let's have this over here, this over here. Okay, then let's start spamming this. Okay, let's start spamming this. 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 Oh, we didn't even kill that thing. Not for once, really. Ow, shit. Hello, Bo Hancock. Hello. Okay, let's have power ups. Don't kill. Okay. Are firecracker, why? I don't need firecracker over there. Yeah, I need firecracker over here. Bro. Oh shit. So many are coming. And he has yeah, nice. He has okay, anything I do not gonna work now because he has okay. Let's just rally of this. Let's just do the rally of this. Let's just do the rally of this. I really feel this is enough. This is enough. Let's just do a rally of this. Yeah, enough. More than enough. Let's just do a rally of that. Okay. But that was damn scary, yeah? Mega Knight rally, bro. Mega Knight's rally. Why you stopped coming to Cheesy Bits? We are not coming to Cheesy Bit anymore because our official channel is Zbit. Cheesy Bit was for our audience so that before our app start we could provide them with the knowledge regarding trading. That's why we made Cheesy Bit, and also Cheesy Bit was supposed to be our app name, but due to some domain issues it changed to Zbit. So rather than having a different account name, we went for Zbit itself. Like we created, rather than creating confusion like Zbit and then other, it's better that okay. Let's do this. 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 Let's go for rally. This is the rally time. I don't want him to jump here. I know. You're gonna jump. This is what I'm gonna do. This is what I'm gonna do. Rally over here now. Complete change of direction. Okay. This is what it is gonna be. Oh shit. So many people. That is gone. We should be having clear out the firecrackers. Mayan is actually a good card to drop, but it requires so much elixir. One second. People are missing Cheesy Bit channel. I can see it. Um, fine, fine. Let's go for battle. Okay. Ay, 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 ay. Nice. अरे यार, अरे यार, अरे वेट रे भाई. She's so excited, girl. And she's excited in cutting, by the way. She loves to cut. अरे यार, अरे यार, अरे यार. Oh yes, Golem. You wanna have Golem? Oh really? Okay, let's go. Just spam, keep spamming this. Keep on spamming this. Just keep on killing. And keep on adding. Whenever I start playing game, more people comes. People are game lover. Done. Don't have to do anything. नहीं. Okay. 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 You can just kill them by arrows. That's all. Okay. इधर खा इसका खा. He doesn't have arrows or anything. can show him how to do defense. I can just show him how to do defense. Okay. Done. Didn't even need arrows, but yeah, for safety. Everything is spinning. Now head started spinning. Come on, yaar, come fast. See, it takes so many time to come back. So much of elixir is coming from that range, right? Are they're getting so much of elixir. I'm just gonna give them so much of elixir. I'm just gonna give them, keep on giving them elixir, keep on giving them elixir. Just have elixir. Have as much as you want. 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 Have as much as you want, brother. Have as much as you want. One thing, this thing, have as much as you want. Have as much as you want. Have okay, there is one point where it is not even reaching there. Okay, now we should give up because there are so many mini P.E.K.K.A.s are coming from there. That too with the battle. We should give up right now. You don't know how dangerous, how terrified a mini P.E.K.K.A. is. Tried my best to spam. Okay. He has nothing. Oh, P.E.K.K.A. he has. Seriously. I'm not gonna do anything then. I'm just gonna spam this because I know this is gonna be. This is it. 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 Have it, have it, have it. As much as you want, have it. Go have it. Go have it, bro. Try to win as much as possible. Okay, just 200 is left. I just have to do 1, 2 and 3. That's all. Won the game, bro. I know I will win because I'm the winner. Oh, hey. But I wanna do this thing as well, yeah. I wanna start putting. Hehehe. It comes like hehehe. Okay, let's just put now this. All the. Now let's have fast this. Are you go ahead. Fast this. Fast this. Okay. Let's have a lot of firecrackers, and that too in different places because he has a fireball. And that too in different places because he has a fireball. We have to make sure that he has a fireball. We have to keep it in different places. He has fireball, guys. He has fireballs. He has fireball. Okay. Now the rally of this. Unnecessary rally of this. Arrows. Unnecessary rally of healer. Unnecessary. There is no need of rally of healers, but still, let's have healer rally. You want it to have healer. Let's play healer versus healer. Yeah, let's not play healer versus healer. It's not that good thing to play healer versus healer. Arey. Obviously, I'm the winner. We are still again back. This is what the market is gonna do. We have to wait for the end of the day, people. We have to wait for the end of the day. Such different things he put. So many different things. So many different things he put. Let's go 3. 3 is enough. Now just firecrackers, nothing else. Only firecrackers. Firecrackers are enough. Arey nahi yaar. Kill this much. Okay. Where is my strength today, yaar? Let's keep up spanning this. One this, one that, one this, one that, one this, one that, one this, one that, one this, one this, one that, one this. Okay. Winner. Your strength is here. I can't see it today. Today I cannot see my strength. I had a good strength here. I'm not feeling my strength today. Okay. अरे यार wow wow wow. I'll just be giving. Oh, he also has. This one is gone. Can't help it anymore. Yeah, take it. I'm just giving him elixir to have more of those big giants. Nothing else I'm going to do. I'm just giving him more elixir. Okay. Let's play the normal game for a while. I'm done with that game. Let's play normal game. Valk in the back. Arey, let him go. Let them go first. Let them. Arey yaar. Let them go first, bro. Good thing. Let's go. Done. Just one hit. Fine with it. I'm gonna do fireball over here because I know he's gonna put something over there with that. Yeah, that's the thing. Fireball didn't kill that thing. I will have to put it in the bag. Just bats. Come on, bats. Bad state code. Okay, come on, Valk. You're ready for this. Not one, yaar. Come on, bro. 2 he made. Nice. Where is my... अरे थोड़ा लेट हो गया यार मैं. I became a little late. Okay. Let's show him. Okay, that's the thing. Let's have this over here, this over here. Arey, he didn't change. Yeah, he changed. He changed. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Have to make it happen. He just needs... Shit. I have to protect this anyhow. Fine. Good game, by the way. Good game. It was a good game. Play again. I don't want that thing. Okay, just one hit, that's it. That's good. Let's have her get killed, bro. It's not missed. Run. Okay, 2x is gonna start soon. Okay, no need for that. No need for this. No need for this. I can have this in there. Let's have one. Let's have it here. Let's have it here. ठीक है. Okay. Good defense. Let's go save. अरे डी Let's go. We can defend it. We can defend it. I know we can defend it. I know. Arey, fireball. Oh shit. Great value he had. Great value he had. Great value he had. Great value he had for fireball. Okay, this is a fireball. Value. Fireball value. Great fireball value. Greatest fireball value. Greatest fireball value. Good game. Good game, brothers. Good game. Good game. He was 7, I was 5. Wow, he has 5. He was 7. Damn, bro. Loser then. Okay. H991. Huh. Arey yaar, he has this shits. Okay. I don't like this. Scarm. No need. Cool. Wow. Let's go. Okay. Because I want to save it. Arey. Fine. 1, 2, 3. Nice. I will appreciate 3 hits. Obviously, Hunter don't have this big range, bro. What are you thinking? Something. Wow. What a value, bro. What a value. Wow, nice. Again and again, good values are I'm getting. Okay, still there. I shouldn't have. Okay, this over here, this over here, this over here. Nothing is working, bro. Nothing is working. Nothing is working. Wanna have. Let's go. Come on, throw it. Okay. Okay. I don't have anything for that. एक तो मार दे. At least one I was expecting, bro, from all of you people. Come on. Come on, one. Give me fireball value. Okay. Good value. had that as well. Okay. Yes, good game. It was a good game. Actually, I guess this is enough. No, this is enough. Come on, I won't get it, I guess. Okay, full musky shots, full musky shots. That is what I wanted. Full musky shots. Anything in between? Scar me and blush it? Nothing. I don't want to have a hit. And dead. Bats are very underrated cards when it comes to killing the troops, the ground troops. Where is Marrow? Okay. Arey, don't. Fine. Got it. At least that is okay. क्या बात कर रहा है hey bro surprise attack bro surprise attack was nice bro, really liked it. Nice. I know how to keep things alive. Arey yaar, such a waste. He's gonna put it there. Okay, put something. Elixir नहीं है bro तेरे पास. Haha. अरे यार I will lose the value. Good attack. She attacked the best person. Not gonna make anything. Nice attack with bats. Let's have archer together. Where is our archer? Okay. He's gonna make an aggressive chance now. Where is your hoggies gonna come? From where your hoggies gonna come? From where your hoggies gonna come? Okay, let's go for the other side. Marina. Her name is Marina. Did he give up or what? Yeah, she gave up. Such a shit person to give up. Che. Che. अरे अटैक है मारा. Okay. All good. Good defense. Good defense. Good defense. Good defense. Good defense. I will come very late, bro. अरे नहीं खत्म बस. Okay. Don Lorenzo. Cool. No. Okay. ठीक है. Still going. Still okay. Whoa. अरे यार. I have to put it further. I have to keep it alive as well. Nothing's gonna win, bro. Don Lorenzo. Sanity Santi. What the fuck is the meaning of Sanity Santi, bro? Why? What? Wow. 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 What a game, bro. What a game you showed. Maybe mistake. It may be mistake. Okay, kill. Fine, fine. Defended. But I don't have elixir to defend anymore. And that's his mistake. Okay, 1, 2, a 1, a 2, a 3. Come on, that is gonna be dead. John Vasaurus. John Vasaurus is the name of that guy. But why he's doing this? Why is putting it so behind? I'm not understanding this thing. Fast. That should happen very fast. It should not take time. Exactly, prediction good prediction. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. अरे यार no यार. Cut me extend, bro. You have no chance to win, bro. Okay. One last game. Okay, this is the last game, and then we will be going. As you can see, our market, we are 107 USDT plus with the strategy of ORB. So I feel it's a successful strategy. Our target is 758, by the way. I hate giant because it takes a lot of time to kill giant. Don't kill. Okay, run, bro, run. Okay. For this small thing I use this big air. Shit. I thought he's gonna put wizard or something. Last game we are 1, 2, 3, 4 USDT plus. One hit at least. Okay, fine. I'm happy with one hit. So much damage. Mini Pekka's hits are very deadly. Very, very deadly. अरे यार, अरे यार. Okay. Still can win. We can still win. We can still win. We can still win. We can still win. Didn't even allow to move, bro. Oh shit. Oh shit. Ah. Ah. Few seconds late. We could have continued because I had him in line 35. But it's fine. Last game I lost. No worries. No worries. But our market is up. The strategy is actually working. We went by the ORB situation and this was an opening candle, and we can see that our market is 156 USDT dollar. I am plus in the market. That is a good thing. My target, I keep the most highest point the market reach, from where we will have a good amount of profit. Okay, 758 USDT I kept, and I'm going to keep it until the target, because like this is a paper trading. Even if I lost, this is not my real money. So because I want to test if it's really gonna take my profit or not, I'm gonna keep it. We'll see tomorrow if this strategy is actually working or not working, or what the situation is happening. We'll see tomorrow. Okay, till that time, thank you so much for joining this live stream. And I'm really sorry that today my energy was not good, but I'm a little sick. That is fine. That is fine. I'm not a excuse person. Okay, but yeah, sorry for that. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being on the platform, and I would love to request you that please make sure that you're downloading my app with the Zbit app with my invite code only, so you can get a very good amount of profits. Okay, so see you tomorrow by same timing, 12 to 4. I came half an hour late today. I'm really sorry for that, because I was my throat was not feeling good. I was giving a little rest to my throat because I know I have to speak for 3 to 4 hours. Okay, so thank you so much for all the people who joined this live stream. Make sure that you are following our all the handles: Instagram handle, X handle, and our YouTube handle as well. Cool.